Hey lollipops, welcome back to my YouTube channel, you guys. Today I bring you good news. As usual, I know they waste time to go do rubbish, Abby. So today I'm showing you the baddest CEO in town, especially when it has to do with children's products, children's stuff, children's formula, children's diapers, children's cereal, children's everything. Don't try me. I know they do rubbish. Let me introduce you to the CEO herself. Let her do the talking for
Hello
us,
guys,
you guys.
welcome to Alina Rabon Stop Kiddies Empire, where we deal on children's skincare, children hair care, series, formula, diapers, and we are located in Asaba Delta State, opposite Legislative Quarters, Okpana Road, and we deliver nationwide. Thank you.
So lollipops, this is Alina Rab One Stop Kiddies Empire. This is where you get all your kiddies stuff at affordable prices, you guys. She sells all kinds of brand, UK brand, US brand, and Nigerian brand, like anything that you are looking for to make your child grow healthy and look and smell healthy. Alina Rab One Stop Kiddies Empire has it for you. She got you covered. You no need to define where you go buy your baby stuff. No make sense, you guys. Alina Rab is one of a kind in Asaba City. You guys. She has all kinds of baby cereals, baby formula, baby everything, skincare, hair products. See, I don't want to talk. You guys just feed your eyes in this video. Watch, order. She delivers nationwide and she's fast and reliable, you guys.